Hello, welcome to another Fun Friday How to Play. We're going to have a look at Forget You by CeeLo Green. Classic tune and actually not that difficult once you've got the main riff under your fingers, because that's what brings the whole thing together. So the intro starts like this and then I'll go through it a bit slower. We've got go through that a couple of times, the drums, the bass come in, and then your singer starts. When you do that, instead of doing the octave bass, I go to single finger because you need it to be quite staccato. So when the verse is going, it's more. Okay, first thing to say is you'll notice in the darker green, I've got the lead-in notes before each of the chords. So G, A into the C, so you're playing, and then you're putting the right hand chord down. Then you do G, A into the D, and it's always better to go down for that one, so you go up to the C, down to the D, which you can't quite see, but if I move my hands you won't see my right hand then. And then we go D, E, F, F, G, and then down to the lower C. So I can show you that an octave higher, you just won't see my right hand. And you don't have to move your hand very far if you use those inversions. So that's for the F. Then back to the C. That's it. You just vary it. If you want to, you could put in an organ sound over the top to layer it up, and you can hold out the organ when you get to the second half of each verse. So you start doing second half of it, so holding down those chords. And when you get to the chorus, you can play around with it a little bit. If you've got the organ sound going, you can jam a bit with that, but it's the same set of chords. Okay, there's your main set of chords. The only bit that is slightly confusing, or the bit that you need to memorize, is the bridge, but it's a very regular beat. So it's starting on the E minor, A minor, D minor, B, back to the E minor. And then on this A minor, you actually do a little run, which goes up in those pink notes, A, B, C, C sharp and D, and just do it in fifths. So instead of playing a whole like A minor chord or an A major chord, okay, we're going to leave out the middle note with the third. We're just going to play that. And then you just go up to the B, C sharp, D. So that will sound like. And finish on going down to a G like it did in the first line. So after that. Now you're into a slight change, so we're onto D minor. That's followed by the A minor run again. You're into D minor. And then finish on a G. And you're back into. Nice and easy. That's it for today. Don't forget, like and subscribe, always appreciated. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.